hopefully I will be able to pick this TrioVing on camera. I've been fighting with this particular lock for quite a while. That's the key bearing. It's a 7-pin one, 7-pin oval cylinder, and it was sent to me from Sweden by Johan. And to be quite honest, for a stock lock, this is quite a challenge, at least for me. And I did manage, after much fighting, I did manage to open it finally last night. And yeah, I will try tonight to replicate this success and hopefully share it with you guys. It's a beautiful lock, works really smooth, but as a TrioVing, tolerances are great, and this means that it's harder for us to pick. So let's have a look, starting with number 7 from the back, then 6, then 5. So 7, 6 and 5. I think I overset something. Unfortunately I don't have the Peterson pry bar, the original one. I have to use 2 other ones that actually fit in the hole. Okay, I pressed number 5 and I got a full set. Now I'm pressing against number 4, nothing. 3, okay, on 3 I had something. Now I need to find the next binder. That was number 6, and then I brushed number 7 and I got a full set. So let's go to the front and check what's happening here. So number 1 maybe? Maybe not. Okay, 2, 3, no. And open. It was number 4. Phew, I think that was the fastest that I did now. I usually require 5 to 7 minutes, but I was lucky and I did manage to open it in less than that. So yeah, let me have a look what is in the inside. I do want to see, and I will completely gut it and hopefully not make a huge mess like I recently do. So let's see what's here. Of course it has to be a C-clip. Everything to open. Let's see now if this tool would hopefully work. Maybe I can turn it and then it would be a bit easier. Let's see now. So let's go right that. Great. Well, the proper tools it's a little bit faster. So let's see. Follower. This one. This one will be too big maybe, or yeah, it will be good. Okay, the last thing that I forgot is a pinning tray. So here are the pins, and voila. Oh, okay. So there are 7 chambers, but only 6 are populated. Oh well, then I need to go back to primary school and learn to count, I guess. So starting with the core, pin 1 is a standard, 2 is a standard, 3 is a standard, 4, 5 and 6, they're all standard ones. So let me have a look here on the core. I think there's nothing modified. No. Standard core. Okay, and let's have a look now on the inside. I do hope there are some spools, because they definitely felt like there are some spools there. Okay, so there's a spool on 1. Another, oops, barrel spool on 2. Oops. clumsy today. Barrel spoon 3. Barrel spoon 4. Sorry because of the focus, guys. So automatically decides to do whatever it wants. Another barrel spool, number 5, and number 6 is the same, again a barrel spool. So everything on the bottom part are barrel spools. So let me just put everything in order, and I will zoom in a little bit so that you can see them. So these are the barrel spools from the TrioVing. Johan, very much thank you for the lock. It took me a while to learn it and to beat it, but I finally managed and I really like it. Guys, keep it legal and thanks for watching. See you later, ciao.